Today we're at James Street train station. We're here today to do a walk from James Street train station all the way to Bramley Moore Stadium. This has been requested by some of our subscribers and a few groups are in on Facebook on Everton fan pages. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel for future content. Messed that up. So we're going to be doing a time-lapse video from James Street to Bramley Moore. It is now 5 to 1, so let's see what time it is when we arrive. We will also get a few shots of the Bramley Moore Stadium while we're in the area as well, so stick around for that. So I reckon we're about maybe halfway, something like that. So this has took us to get to the Costco, which is there. This has took us 16 minutes. So maybe it's going to take about half an hour, but we can now see it in the distance. Let's go. So we are here. Let's your time. So, stupid phone. 2023. So it took us 28 minutes to walk from James Street Station to the Bramley Moore Dock. It might take longer, depending on which way you walk, obviously. But we went straight down the Strand, crossed over just past the pierhead and just come straight down the Dock Road. That's probably going to be the quickest. And while we're here, we're going to take a quick look around before we let you go. So we've got a crane in action there, lifting a piece of steel up. So since the last time we were here, which I think was about 10 days ago or something, the southeast corner has come along. Can you see that? The steelwork's in place there. So the shape of the stadium it's nearly complete. This Sunday gone, the weather was awful, so I couldn't actually get up to do the video for the, with the drone, because we're restricted to Sundays now. I don't know, obviously if you've seen my video, explaining Everton have been in touch and requested that we don't film other than a Sunday with the drone. So, yeah, hopefully this Sunday will be better and we'll be able to get up with the drone and, have a proper look around. But, yeah, that's what 7 days work gets you. Just going to pan across and try, it's dropped a bit here, so we're just going to have a look. Let this van get past and this lorry. Okay, let's have a look. So it's in place, it's going, it's coming along. So we've just counted the cranes there and I get 13. There's 13 cranes now working away. So yeah, just going to try and get a shot from the main gate, over the road, out the way. So here we go. There's how he's going to block our view now. Right there. Bear with, it's busy down here. So yeah. So as you can see, it's coming along. So in summary, if you are coming the game, when it's built in 2024, if you come in the game from town, it's going to take around 27 minutes. That's if you're walking at my pace. Take care of yourselves, we'll see you soon.